People will literally get off the plane that are snowbirds visiting, and the first stop they make is our store. They don't even go to their house yet. They make a stop at our store to pick out their new jeans. We hem them, we pin them, we call them in 2 days, and they come back and pick them up. So it's a pretty cool gig, and it's always fun. We're playing dress up all day long. Hi, I'm Tamara Grieve. I own Loop Jean Company. We've been here in Tucson for 17 years. Part of what we specialize in is fit. You come into our store, the first thing we do is ask you, what are you kind of looking for? What kind of jean would you like? And then from there, we are all trained fit experts. We take you and we pull 2 or 3 different things that we think are going to look good on your body. We critique together what you like and don't like. And in the end, we find a fit that works perfect for your shape. I've been a client of National Bank of Arizona for 5 years. I got a phone call from Yvette. I'd known her 10, 15 years before. The whole state was shut down from the pandemic, and she called and said, do you know about the PPP loans that are available to small stores? And I said, no, I did not. The bank that I was banking at the time never bothered to call me and let me know that these were available for small businesses. And Yvette reached out to us from National Bank. So the relationship really started by her calling me and helping out with the PPP loans that we had. And I immediately closed my bank account and came straight over to National Bank of Arizona because of how much she unexpectedly helped me and my business. Because it is a local bank and a community bank, they know more about us. They know about our little town. Yvette knew to call me. Gant became very friendly and inviting as a banker for our business. It was magical. So in 2024, the interest rates on the credit cards that I was using to run my business with got so incredibly high. I decided to take a visit to Gant and see if there was anything that is possible to help us out with that. He really searched for an SBA loan that fit the size of my business and my needs. Gant solved that for me. It's done so much to make my company stronger in the long run and give us so much opportunity for future growth and future plans within our store. We're lucky to have NBAZ because for small companies like me, they really have taken that extra step to look for solutions.